we just came from grocery shopping, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my fruits. I didn't buy vegetables because I still have a lot of veggies left. And then I'm going to make the viral TikTok sandwich, the grinder. Listen, I know I cut out meat, but baby, I have to have it, okay? Like, I'm not full-blown vegan or anything like that, but I have to have it. So I'm gonna go ahead and make that. And then it's like 10 o'clock right now. It's 10 o'clock, so the vlog is starting a little bit late, but I'm gonna go ahead and make that sandwich and then clean up and then head to bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. But we're gonna go ahead and clean our fruits and then make the sandwich.
Scream out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the zone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on.
Hey babes, so in this part I messed up. Now that I'm editing the video, I actually see where I messed up at, because when I first did the sandwich I was like, why don't I have a top to the sandwich? But you guys are gonna see, like, when I cut the sandwich, because the way it was, like, I accidentally put the top on the side, so the top of the sandwich was kind of missing. Like, there was a couple pieces missing. Now I see where I went wrong. But all in all, you guys, it was so flipping amazing. It was so good. I don't regret it. I don't regret cheating and eating meat. When I say I don't eat meat, I don't eat red meat. Like, I cut out red meat completely. But like turkey, that's why I got turkey instead of like anything else. Like, as far as red meat, I don't really eat like red meat like that. But this, I don't regret it. I do not regret it at all. It was so good. And I ended up eating the whole sandwich by myself. Yes, I did. I did. I ate half that night, and then the next day I ate the rest. I sure did. I really did, you guys. I'm not even gonna lie to you, okay? I ate it all by myself, child. Don't ask me where my food goes. It just goes somewhere, child, because I don't even know where it goes half the doggone time. But anyway, if you guys haven't tried it, try it, because I'm always late to trends. I don't really keep up with trends, nor do I follow trends. But literally that day that I decided to make the sandwich, I was seeing it on my timeline. I was like, you know what? Let me just make it, because I want to see what the hype is all about, and it's worth the hype.
Endless maze, the emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own.
So here's where I realized that I messed up, because I'm like, wait, where's the other half of the sandwich? Right there, I was looking like, what? But all in all, it was so good, you guys. It was so good. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It wasn't too long. I wanted to keep it short and sweet. But I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Be safe, be loved, put God first in literally everything that you do, and I promise you will never go wrong. I love you guys. Bye.